Okay, folks, today we're looking at finding the slope of a line from a graph. Remember, you have to rise before you can run. It can help you to remember what goes up and what goes down. Okay, so what's the slope of this line? Look for identifiable points, like here and here. And there you go. We go up to the right 3. Both are positive, so there we go. 2/3. Let's look at the slope of this line. And we see it's 1 up, but we're going back. So 1/-3, or we could just say -1/3. Remember, this is a negative slope. It's falling from left to right. Okay, does anybody remember this? What's happening? It's just running straight across. Well, since it doesn't rise or fall, the slope is 0. This is the kind of slope we want on our floors and our ceiling. All right, what is the slope of this line? Straight up and down. Anybody remember? Vertical lines are called undefined. If you ever go skiing, they actually do have slopes that are undefined, which aren't perfectly vertical, but obviously must be pretty scary. Right, here's some practice for you. I'm going to give you a minute there. You might want to pause it. Look for identifiable points, and then count. Well, it's positive because it's rising, and it's 3/5. The slope of this line, those dots are pretty bold, so that should help you. And there's the blue line trying to help you. So M is 4 up, but we're going back. Remember, it's falling, so it's a -4/5, and it cannot be simplified. And the slope of this one, again, the dots are there to help you. 2 up and 4 back. I'm sorry, but what's wrong with that? Why don't we leave it that way? Because 2/4 can be simplified to 1/2, and that is a positive slope. So remember, mistakes are just proof you're trying. You don't have to be perfect to still be amazing and awesome. Okay, and that's my message for you today. You're still amazing. You guys are doing great. See you next time.